Hello everybody, this is Justin here, Executive Chef of this beautiful Novotel Goa Donna Silvia Resort. Well, this is Independence Day. It is a very special day for a very special event by IFB Spice Secrets Kitchen. An exciting, invigorating and a super cook-off between me and the chef from IFB Spice Secrets. Let me have the pleasure of inviting Chef Mihir from IFB Spice Secret Kitchens. Hey chef, can you hear me? Can you come along please? Hi chef. Hi. So are you all ready for the cook-off?
Yes, I'm super excited for this particular cook-off. Thank you so much that you all invited me here, and I'm glad, and it's
Pleasure
really
is all
going to
mine,
be,
chef. Pleasure is all mine.
and it's Independence Day special, so
How excited are you about this?
I'm super excited, and I'm glad that I'm here with you, and we are going to have amazing recipes today. And this Independence Day, with this occasion and these two lovely recipes, I am very excited.
Looking forward, chef. Looking forward. Really looking forward to this. Bang on. We're all ready.
yes,
It's showtime.
yes,
It's showtime,
yes.
chef. It's showtime.
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Hey chef!
Hey, chef, we back finally, yeah?
Yes.
So let's begin. Let's start. Let's rock and roll, okay?
Yes. But I am going to make the fish today.
No, that's mine. That belongs to me. That fish looks at it says that's
Patranu
mine.
Machi, I am making. My dish is going to be better than yours.
Let's toss a coin.
Yes.
Let me see if I have a coin. Oh yeah, I do have
Let's
a
be
coin.
fair. Let's toss a
So,
coin.
that's a coin. That's heads. You get heads. You do the chicken. I get tails. I do the fish.
Done.
Good to go.
Sounds good to me.
Toss
Yes.
it, yeah?
Yes.
Here we go.
Okay.
That's the other way around. All right. So
Okay.
I do the chicken.
Okay.
You do the fish.
Done. Not an
Anyways,
issue.
no problem. You know what? Winner, chicken dinner, and that's mine. I'm giving this coin away here.
Okay.
So that's the winning coin. You win this competition. You take this. That's all yours. Fair
I'm
game?
going to win. I'm going to take the coin.
Here we go. Let's begin, guys. What are you making? I mean, what's on your mind right now? Looking at
my Patranu Machi, which I have planned for today's meal, is going to be like lip smacking. What about you, chef?
This is also a very famous and a very traditional dish from the Parsi community. It's
Okay.
called murg farcha. That's chicken farcha.
Okay.
So
But yes, my fish is going to be like a top-up, and it's going to be like a killer dish.
no way, bro. This chicken is going to rock it. This is going to kill it. And this is going to be the star of the evening. So let the success do the talking and let's get cooking right now.
Yep.
Here we go.
So I'm just starting with my fish. I'm just cleaning it.
All the best, mate.
All the best,
Fish
chef.
is
All the
fabulous,
best. All the best. This fish is looking really awesome.
Wow, this cinnamon smells yum. One of my favorite spices. These garlic smell beautiful. Okay. What a pestle.
I'm going to start with my paste
There we
then.
go. There's a very different flavor when you do this in the mortar pestle. It gives you a different flavor altogether. I think that's because of the stone
yes.
used in it.
Yes.
When you crush it against each other, that's where all the flavor generates from.
On that note, my marination has started. My recipe is going to turn superb.
चलो देखते हैं कि इसका रेसिपी कितना अच्छा निकलता है.
I really wanted to become a little more power packed and spicy.
पावर पैक तो ये लग रहा है सर. देखिए इसे, देखिए जरा सूंघिए, क्या पावर पैक लग रहा है ये.
Oh chef. Oh, this is really nice. This
Wow,
is very
thank
good.
A good start is a job half done. Isn't it, chef?
Yes.
What do you think?
yes.
It's a good start or it's a okay start?
It's really a very great start.
Thank
of
you very
course,
much.
my fish is already marinating, so I'm gonna win because it's gonna have best flavors.
Something fishy, something smells fishy over here.
So chef, my marination is so ready. I'm applying my paste.
No problem, chef. Slow and steady wins the race.
Chef, see my fish is almost done now.
I seen that. It looks good. It looks good. I'm going to keep it a little on the spicier side, so 2 chilies. Otherwise, normally I don't like a lot of spicy.
Okay.
A little bit of water. Beautiful.
My fish looks lovely on that banana leaf. Oh, that sounds really nice.
The baby, she looks beautiful.
Yes. There I go. I'm just tying my fish now.
Chef, you need to smell this out. Check this out.
Oh, chef, this is.
You will cough.
Just give me a little bit.
That's okay. That's okay. Alright, so my marinade is also ready.
And it's ready to go inside the
You sit
oven.
there. It'll be 2 minutes and I'll be with you, bro. Okay, you want to check out what I'm going to put in this?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah?
Why not?
So first, I put a little bit of salt, and then a little bit of turmeric, chili powder,
Okay, so my steamer is ready
a
here,
little bit
and I am just placing it. I'm cooking it in the microwave,
Finally
and
this
it's
page.
steam recipe, chef. The only thing I'm quite ahead. On the microwave mode, it starts, and here the fish starts with approximately 10 minutes, and just start.
check this out.
Of course, yes. This
Yeah.
looks very
So the
tempting.
flavors have married each other really well.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And hey, be careful. The coin is over there. That's the winning.
I'm not
You don't
stealing
touch
it.
that
I'm not
coin.
stealing it.
You
I-
don't touch that coin. Okay, so it's done. I'm not going to leave it to rest or something. I'm just going to directly coat it with some
Okay,
lovely
yep,
breadcrumbs
yep.
over here, and then in they go in the oven.
Really looks so tempting with that breadcrumb. I think it's
Very
gonna
simple.
make
It's very
it-
simple. You
Yes,
just
yes.
take them, just coat it
Oh
in
wow,
breadcrumbs.
this is so easy. Yeah,
Very easy.
this is amazing.
It is, chef. It is. Just
These,
wait for it to get cooked.
These are really
Just wait for
nice
it to fry.
drumsticks.
You are going to be blown away by the flavors of this
Okay.
dish.
Chicken
Something
but
fishy जो आपका डिश है ना, आप भूल जाओगे
This
chef,
is-
भूल जाओ अभी चिकन खाने का वक्त है
See,
चिकन खाइए
okay,
ना
okay, okay. I'm gonna taste both of the dishes, but yes, ultimately the coin is gonna be mine.
ये जो कॉइन है ना शेफ ये निकला इस जेब से और जाएगी फिर इस जेब में आप कुछ भी करिए
The fish is going to get ready in just a moment. Chef, I must say your chicken is looking really, really tempting.
it smells so good now imagine once it's out of the oven how it's going to smell like it's going to look like so in they go in the oven okay
Waiting for this chicken and this fish, but ultimately my fish is going to win.
there she is you know what by the way let me tell you something chef
Yes, please tell me.
having food or eating food on a banana leaf has got a lot of good quality.
Yes,
you know what it
yes.
does? Because it's got wax on it. The moment you place hot food on the wax melts. And that imparts flavor to the food. And that is a different feeling altogether.
That's what I wanted to say because that's going to be the essence of my dish today and it's going to make me win.
Not a problem, chef. Not a problem.
So it's almost done.
Yeah, is it? Can I have a look at it?
Yes, yes, yes. I'm
Oh,
just.
that's the way you did it, huh? Not bad, not bad.
In fact, it's very, very healthy. It's giving a good aroma
Oh,
now.
this smells good. This smells good. Not bad.
I'm just opening it. I think.
Oh my god. Ah,
Oh, those blasts with the flavors and the aroma.
chef, you done a good job.
Ah,
Let me pat
Thank
you
you,
on your
thank
back.
you, thank you, thank you. I
That
just,
smells amazingly delicious.
let's open this. Can
You
we
wanna do
check?
the
Can we
honors?
check? Yes. Yeah.
Be very gentle, you know, when you are
Okay,
opening a steak,
okay,
be very gentle.
okay,
Nice
okay.
and steadily going over it. That's it.
Okay.
Beautiful.
See the fish.
Oh, beautiful.
Sat on my
Beauty,
plate.
beauty. What a
Okay.
beauty. That looks. Oh my god. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful. बहुत बढ़िया शेफ, बहुत बढ़िया.
Yeah.
It's healthy, it's steamed,
Yeah. Yeah.
okay?
Yeah.
It's packed with a lot of flavors and it's a meal by itself. You don't need
Yes,
anything
it's a
to
meal
eat
by itself, and I feel that it's the best protein
Very
diet that
smart.
one
You,
can.
you've selected a
do.
very smart dish. I really appreciate that.
My dish is ready, I chef.
That is really great. Give me 5 minutes more.
And
2
it's
minutes
piping
more.
hot. I think
It's beautiful. No doubt about that, chef. No doubt about it. This is a rock star dish. But you know what? Big brother is in there. Let him come out and then he tells you who's the winner.
I am dying to see the color of the chicken. Wow, wow,
Wow.
that is really looking
I have nailed it, chef.
superb. I
No
must say,
comparison
chef,
to this.
I must
ever.
say, chef, it's really looking. I mean, looking at this color and this texture of the chicken, I think yeah, what
This
you
is
said
showtime,
was
chef.
correct.
This is showtime.
It's really
Okay.
nice.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Looks nice. Yes.
I'm sure all the parties would be
Yes,
very
yes,
happy,
yes.
delighted, and excited to look at this. And I hope I've done justice to this, my friends.
Yes, yes, yes. It's very important because we are really cooking very traditional dishes.
Someone baste it first. Give it a little bit of nice shine, a little bit of nice glaze.
That goes good with me.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, this looks really nice now.
Better belly burst than good food lost.
Of course, absolutely.
Looks wow. It's time to plate it. I'm still not a self-proclaimed winner.
Okay, okay. I am already self-proclaimed on that.
Beautiful drumstick goes in over there.
Okay. Wow, the chicken, the texture looks amazing, chef.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So here you go, chef.
So, chef,
So who decides? Who decides which one is better than
I think we can
each of them?
taste the dish and then only because I don't think.
So we'll start tasting then. Yeah, you taste my chicken, I'm going to taste the fish.
Okay, that sounds cool.
Let's see who's the winner.
Yes, yes, why
Yeah,
not?
sounds good.
Yep.
Yeah, so let the plates do the talking, chef.
Okay, that looks lovely with my fish.
Chef, here we are. Finally,
Finally,
it's time for the plates to do
yes,
the talking.
I'm anxiously waiting to taste both the dishes, but yes, I want to taste the chicken first because you had talked so much about it.
Oh,
Let
yes,
me taste
yes,
it.
you should, chef.
And I mean, the texture looks really, really amazing, chef. on it.
Coming to your dish, again, this looks aesthetically appealing.
Thank you.
Looks beautiful.
Thank you.
It's got its tail up already. So, that's a killer looking fish. I just can't believe this has been made in a microwave oven.
Yes, I mean, it can easily beat the contemporary style of cooking food.
Amazing, amazing.
That's the magic of microwave cooking.
Beautiful.
This really is looking so tempting. This is super.
Amazing. Amazing.
The texture.
Wow. One of the best Pakistani pastis I've ever eaten.
Thank you. Thank you. But
Beautiful,
this,
chef,
but
beautiful.
chef, just let me tell you this. This is like, the flavor bomb. I mean, it's amazing. You cannot really tell me that this has been baked.
All yours, chef, all yours. I'm keeping this for me. That's yours.
But
Okay.
but yes, as you mentioned that I think I can take the coin.
No, no. You know what, chef? Who's the winner now? I'm a little
Yeah.
confused, chef.
I don't know, chef.
Should we toss the coin?
Yeah,
Before I
I think,
wolf this down, should we toss the coin?
I think that's the only way.
Good thing to do?
Yes.
Yeah, should I?
Yes, yes.
May I?
Yeah, yeah, please.
There you go.
All excited.
Heads for you,
Yes,
tails for me.
yes, that goes good with
Now let the coin do the talking.
ultimately yes.
Alright, here I go.